Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to voice type on Google Docs. So this is one of the really cool features of Google Docs, and it's really helpful, say if you want to transcribe meeting notes or audio recordings, or just to write faster, whether you're a student or a freelance writer. So it's really easy to get started. Just make sure that you're using the Google Chrome browser. Otherwise, you might not find this option to voice type. Then open up your Google Docs document. Then you're going to head to Tools, scroll down to where it says voice typing, and I'm going to click on there. So before you get started, you could edit which language you're going to be speaking in or the dialect. So I'm English UK, so I'm going to leave that on. So when you're happy and you want to start typing with your voice, you're going to click on the little blue tab. Google Docs is really good. I quite like it, full stop. However, it does sometimes make mistakes, full stop. So let's have a look. So I can go ahead and just edit this quickly. So Google Docs is really good. I quite like it. However, it does sometimes make mistakes. I mean, it's not perfect, but if you've got like a really long article to write, you could just talk it out and then go back and edit the mistakes quite easily. So that's how to voice type on Google Docs. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.